Morning, Wildcats. This is Miss Freeman here, your social studies and science teacher, and I just came on for a minute to show you how to draw on a Google Sheet. So you will see on my screen the two assignments where you were supposed to watch the YouTube video, and then it says to draw a picture of something in your community or family that has changed over time. Remember, your view will look a little different than this, but basically, you'll go inside of your Google Classroom and you'll click the assignment history, and after it loads, you'll get a sheet like this. This is different from what we normally see because it has the checkerboard. This is a Google Sheet. And so once it is finished loading, one, you should see your name up here. This is the one for the whole class, so that's why it just says history. And when you're ready to draw on it or change it, you will use these tools up here as well as one of the tools up here. So let's go through together. So insert. I know it says draw, but if you want to go and find a picture to show how life has changed, you are welcome to search the web. You are welcome to search the web. If you have a picture of your family on your computer, you're welcome to do that. You can insert a text box if you would like to type. Um, you can draw with shapes. So I go to the shapes and I get these are my these are the first set of shapes they have: arrows, little call outs, um, plus and minus signs, tables. There's also a line, so that might be more of what you would want. So you can do the straight line, you can do an arrow, you can do the elbow connector, you can do the curve connector, or you can do a curve, or even the scribble. So I'm going to click on scribble, and I'm going to show you how my family has changed because a little hard with that, but this would be like when my son was born, and this would be me, and this would be his dad. Um, and so here I am with the dress on. Don't forget the eyes. And he needs some shoes. Now, when it's your turn to do this, I'm sure yours is going to look a little bit better than mine. Um, and then I'm going to go back and find that line. And down here, I'm going to show that, and his name is, I'm going to go down here and show that he is, well, if you mess up, you can always click undo. I probably should go back to the curve. So I'm going to go insert line or the scribble. And That's going to be my son now that he's older. His name is KJ. And he now has a brother, a baby brother, who is a lot taller than he is. And his name is Nathaniel. And then this is me. Here's my dress. And then their dad. So that is how my family has changed from then to now. If you have any other questions, let me know. Thank you.